I'm in the hydraulics lab of Oceanbird, one of the companies trying to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases created by the shipping industry. And I've got the managing director, Nicholas, with me. Now, you have created a wing sail. It looks a little bit like an aeroplane, doesn't it? And, I mean, what part does this play?
Yeah, so this is actually the hydraulic system that controls the whole wing. So here you have cylinders that would then be, when we take down the wing sails, we also have cylinders for the flap. So in order to adjust it with the right angle. And then we are measuring where the wind comes from, and then we adjust the wing so it's in the right position in order to get as much fast thrust as possible. So this is then the symbolic of that part.
This is almost like the ropes on a traditional sailing ship as you're pulling out the sails and moving the sails around.
Exactly. I mean, you could say this is that and this is the whole crew basically, because here you would handle the whole wing sail.